I'm pretty sure we talked about this when we talked about multiplying by tens and hundreds. I threw it in there, I'm sure. This is dividing by 10 or 100 or 1,000. Write down these 4 problems. And again, this should be something you're excited about because this is one of the very, very, very few times that the book tells you to do something mentally. Okay, and if you go back to this, okay, 3.68 times 10, okay, it's kind of a waste of time for you actually to sit down and do this all out. Remember, the 0 hangs out, and then you get all this, and you do this, and how many decimal places is there? The decimal goes there. When you know what was the little fact? What was the simple little fact when you multiply by 10 and 100? Sammy?
You have to move the decimal over once.
Right. However many zeros, that's how many places you move the decimal to the right. This has 2 zeros, so you move decimal to the right 2 places. So this one, all you need to do is move, so your answer was 36.8. This one has 2 zeros, so it becomes 368. Well, today, we're doing the exact opposite, and the opposite is true. When you divide, you don't move the decimal to the right, you move the decimal to the Grace left. So write that down. When you divide by 10, 100, 1,000, you just move the decimal to the left, the number of zeros. That is the big hitter for the day. 10 has 1 0 in it, so I move the decimal back 1 place, so my answer is 0.368. 100 has 2 zeros, so I move the decimal back 2 places. I have to add a 0, and it's 0.0368. Again, this is what you're expected to do mentally. Please don't sit down and do the whole division problem out, because really you leave yourself open to getting a lot of stuff wrong here. What if the number was this? What if it was 7 divided by 1,000? And again, you should be able to do that mentally, because all you're going to do is move the decimal back how many places? Jacob?
3.
Exactly. It ends with 3 zeros, so the decimal goes that way 3 places. Now the problem is there is no decimal over here. Don't get all upset and start to cry because there's no decimal there. Because you can always put a decimal where to start off, Ariel? Where can I put a decimal here? Nope, not in front of it. 7 is not the same as 0.7. Put a decimal behind it. Your decimal starts right here. And then I have to move it 3 places, so it's going to go once, twice, 3 times, and you're going to have to stick in some zeros there. 7 divided by 1,000 is 0.007. How about this one? 5.2 divided by 100. You should be able to tell me the answer right now without even looking at it. The answer is, DJ?
0.52.
No, sir. You're incorrect.
0.0.
Right. Make sure there's 2 decimals, 2 zeros, so this has to come back 2 places. You're going to have to add a 0. Watch out for that. How about this? 0.08 divided by 100. Try to throw you for a loop there. Ooh, look at all that. Grace?
0.08 or 0.00008.
Exactly, there's 2 zeros there, just so you prove the 2 zeros are there, so you have to add another couple extra zeros. Anybody have any idea how to say that number? 0.00008, said in words is, Calvin?
800,000.
It is. It's 800 thousandths. This is the tens place, the hundredths place, the thousandths place, the 10,000ths place, the 100,000ths place. 800 thousandths, which you don't see very often, but is there. Well done,